Jury selection starting today in Sean Diddy Combs' federal trial. Prospective jurors are inside the courtroom now, along with Combs. Federal prosecutors allege he abused, threatened, and coerced women into prolonged, drug-fueled sexual orgies he called freak-offs, and then threatened them into silence. Diddy has denied the charges, but he's facing what could amount to a life sentence if convicted. Marina, what's the latest?
Yeah, well, Diane, we know from our teams inside the criminal courthouse here behind us that jury selection is officially underway. And the key, of course, we've been saying it all morning, that the key is to find jurors that can actually be unbiased and fair when weighing the evidence against Sean Diddy Combs. We know that several hundred prospective jurors, they've already filled out a written questionnaire. And from there, the judge will be asking follow-up questions. And we know that those questions will include things like their feelings about law enforcement personnel, hip-hop artists, and sexual assault victims that may prevent them from being partial. And they will also, of course, be asked about what exactly they know about this case. We know this case has been in the headlines for months. Most people know something about it. So, of course, they're going to be looking for somebody who can put what they know aside and really just focus on the facts of this trial here. And we know that they'll also be asked if they've gone through a traumatic event in the past that might make it difficult for them to hear some of the details from accusers on the stand.
Any sense on how the defense plans to try to raise reasonable doubt in this trial?
Right. Well, from day one, they have maintained Sean Diddy Combs' innocence. They have flat out said he has done nothing wrong. Just days ago, he rejected a plea deal. He has pleaded not guilty to all of the charges against him. And they have said that all of these sexual encounters that we've heard about and that we'll, of course, hear more details about, that those were all consensual. They argue that the accusers in this case, they want to pay out.
And what about the prosecution, Rena? How are they trying to prove this case beyond a reasonable doubt?
So we know that several victims in this case are going to take the stand. Several of them have been unidentified in the indictment, and we know that singer and ex-girlfriend of Sean Diddy Combs, Cassie Ventura, is going to be a star witness for the prosecution. And also part of that part of the case is, of course, that 2016 video that was obtained by CNN. It shows Sean Diddy Combs beating and dragging Ventura through a Los Angeles hotel hallway. That, of course, made the rounds on social media. A lot of people had opinions about it. The jury will now get a chance to view that video.